Yo, what's up, great peeps? So there's a new Yeeps Hide and Seek update. The only thing I've seen that is new is the bundle. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be buying that later, and I don't think there's anything new in this tuck web. And apparently, I did see Lab Rats play this, and they revamped. No, sorry, they got rid of basement, so we're gonna check that last. Honestly, let's just go straight into it because I don't think that anything else is here. Well, I wonder what this does. But anyways, there's gnomes coming in too. What? Well, I've seen this, but like not in person. Whoa. Let's see if we can find any key. Let's try finding a purple key. Oh yeah, so we're gonna try finding all the keys later. Let's just look around in the map. Whoa. What? Whoa. Bro, this thing is actually crazy. Bro, I knew that was gonna be cool, but not this cool. What? Bro, that's literally just technically the party button, but different. Dang. Bro, these things are crazy. I've been saving up for this. What? Bro, what? But why is all the cool stuff last? I'm gonna buy stuff when I get the pack. What? Hopefully. I'm not sure yet. Oh wait, I found a red key. Let's come up here. Let me get a grappler. Where's the grappler? Wait, how am I supposed to? No, I ate it. I don't think I was supposed to eat it. No, and it's all good. So here is here you go, Liz. There's another good thing. So those things spawn the keys. Okay. Whoa! Oh, I so want these guys. Whoa. Let's go. Working stash. Oh, there's also working TVs. Keep. Wait, how am I supposed to open? Bro, wait. How am I supposed to get here? What? Bro, I just don't want to go in there. Wait, but I did see another entrance. I think it's this. Oh, flip. find the... What is this? I don't know what that is, but... I'm just pressing random things I see. What? Okay. So, yeah, I forgot what I was going to do after. I press all the buttons. Dang, no, that's crazy. That's actually crazy how you get in. You really need to do all that. So we pretty much looked at everything down there. What is this? So I'm not gonna step in any of those portals. Well, honestly, what? Oh, why isn't it working? But anyways, let's see. I think that's pretty much all. Okay. Wait. Whoa. Oh yeah, so I think that's pretty much really all that for the show. So yeah, and bye, great beeps.